This is Dr. Greg with another episode of Emotional Wellness Minute, and today we're going to be talking about making a plan to boost your mood. When presented with a problem, a lot of people ask themselves questions that feels like they're getting somewhere, but they're really not. Just like rocking in a rocking chair. They may ask, "Why did this happen to me?" or "What if some unlikely event happened in the future?" But what they're really doing is getting stuck. One way to break out of stewing on a problem is to do something about it, and that's to make a plan. First step, define that problem as specifically as possible. The more detail, the better. You'd be amazed at how much adding some clarity to a problem can help. Now, write down every possible option you can think of. Doesn't matter if they're good or bad, it's just important to have as many options available as possible. You might even have one of your options be do nothing or find a way to tolerate the situation. Once you have as full of a list as you can think of, start to go through them. Jot down positive and negative consequences. We all know that there's pros and cons to just about everything. Then pick the option that has the least negative consequences and the most or best positive consequences. Think about how you'd actually go about doing it and schedule it into your day. Write down how you would measure success as specifically as you can. Make it clear enough that even an outside observer could come by with a clipboard and check off whether or not you did what you said you were going to do. If it didn't work, start from the beginning. You may need to try this again. For those who like this approach but need some extra support, consider talking to your mental health professional about problem solving therapy because it might be right for you. Please like and subscribe if you like this emotional wellness tip.